razor-sharp scissors for just a penny. No tools, no hassle. Hey guys, nice to see you again on Great Tips. With just a tiny coin and a few minutes of free time, you can completely turn old, rusty scissors into a weapon as sharp as a razor. Sounds unbelievable, right? Who doesn't have a pair of scissors that have been sitting in a drawer for years, used until they can't even cut a plastic bag? Like mine, I bought it less than a year ago and now it's completely powerless. It's a shame to throw it away, and it's a waste of money to buy a new one. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a super simple, super cheap, and surprisingly effective trick to revive old scissors in the blink of an eye. If you also have a scissor sleeping in the corner of your kitchen, take it out immediately because we are about to revive it right now. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. The tools you need are very simple. First, toothpaste. Any kind will do. Don't think toothpaste is only for brushing your teeth. It has many great uses, including sharpening scissors. First, take a sufficient amount of toothpaste and apply it to the blade of the scissors. Apply it to the screw connection as well. Then, use a toothbrush to rub the toothpaste evenly on the surface of the scissors. Do it gently. Do not use your bare hands in this step, or you will scratch it. The surfactant in the toothpaste helps to brighten the scissors, and the special abrasive helps to sharpen the scissors effectively like magic. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. After applying evenly, let the scissors sit for 2 minutes. Next, simply take out a coin. Once the scissors are completely covered with cream, place the coin on the scissors blade. Before sharpening, you need to know that scissors have 3 sides: flat side, smooth slope side, large slope side, and top side. This is the flat side, only used to adjust the opening. Closing angle of the scissors. Do not sharpen this side because it is easy to damage. The important part for cutting is the smooth slope side, which is the small edge on this edge. This is the part that needs to be polished. Hold the coin at a 40-degree angle to the smooth side and rub back and forth with even pressure. Rub about 30 to 40 times to achieve a good polishing effect without damaging the coin. When polishing, be careful to only polish the necessary part. The part that needs to be polished is the smooth bevel. This is the factor that determines the sharpness of the scissors. Since the scissors have 2 blades, there will be 2 bevels that need to be sharpened. After sharpening one side, continue to sharpen the smooth bevel of the remaining blade. Use the same method to grind the rest. Each time you change the position, check to see if the coin is worn. If there are obvious grooves on the surface of the coin, change the position so as not to affect the grinding effect. During the process, keep your hand steady to avoid angle deviation, resulting in uneven grinding. When both sides of the smooth slope are sharpened, the scissors will be sharp again, cutting smoothly like new. Alternatively, you can also hold the coin in one hand, hold the scissors open in the other, and cut across the coin so that it slides between the two blades. Do this about 20 times and the scissors will be noticeably sharper. But be careful with your hands. If you find it difficult, use the first method. After sharpening, use a towel or paper to wipe the scissors clean to remove any remaining toothpaste. Now it's time to test the miracle. Use the scissors to cut the tissue paper and plastic bag again. You will be surprised to see that the previously dull blades now cut smoothly and smoothly, even sharp enough to cut a hair. A combination of toothpaste and a small old coin is a cheap and effective solution for sharpening scissors. Compared to traditional whetstones, this method does not require complicated skills. Anyone can do it. No danger like when using a sharpening stone, no dust, no need to buy additional professional tools. With just household items, dull scissors can be handled. Old scissors are revived in just a few minutes. Save time, effort, and money. The scissors become shiny, sharp, cut food or fabric cleanly. Not only prolong the life of the scissors, but also contribute to protecting the environment. After the scissors are sharp, the next step is to completely remove rust and stains. Prepare a basin or flat-bottomed dish larger than the scissors for easy soaking. Place the scissors inside. Sprinkle some baking soda on the surface of the scissors. Then, cover the scissors with a paper towel. Next, pour white vinegar on the paper towel and let it soak evenly. These two substances will react and create thick foam. Baking soda has strong cleaning ability. White vinegar helps soften and dissolve stains, rust. Turn the scissors over. Sprinkle baking soda on the other side. Cover with paper towels. And pour vinegar again. This method helps to deeply clean rust and stubborn stains. White vinegar not only softens, but also reacts chemically with rust to remove it. Baking soda is a powerful cleaner. Use a paper towel to help the baking soda stick to the surface and not fall off. Leave it for about 10 minutes to work. Meanwhile, you will see the rust and stains start to come off. When the time is up, remove the paper towel. Use a brush to gently scrub the surface of the scissors. The scissors will shine again. This cleaning method uses familiar ingredients in the kitchen, so it is both environmentally friendly and effective. Let old kitchen utensils say goodbye to dirt and revive their vitality. Wipe the scissors a few times to completely remove rust and excess cream. Finally, rinse the scissors with water. Cleaning the scissors is an extremely important step. Do not skip it. You should know that the remaining rust not only reduces the cutting efficiency, but also is harmful if used in cooking. When cutting fabric, it can also cause dirt. After washing, dry the scissors completely with a clean paper towel, especially the gap between the handle and the blade. With this simple and practical method, the scissors will not only be sharp again, but also have a significantly longer lifespan. Anyone who has dull or rusty scissors at home should definitely try this method. No need for complicated machines or tools. Just a few familiar household items and you can renew them. Save money and help protect the environment. If you know any better scissor sharpening tips or have your own experience, please leave a comment to share so everyone can learn. Thank you for watching and supporting. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share with your relatives and friends, and remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tips. See you in the next video.